And hello everyone, welcome back to the Design Studio. This video is gonna be a little bit different. On a previous video, I shared with you that I went on a crochet kit scavenger hunt. These are the crochet kits I got. Now I selected all the ones that I would like to make, and my granddaughter, Emmy, helped me pick which order I should do all of them. Let's see if I can stick to that demand. It's a complete crochet kit. It brings everything you need. It's by Plait. Plait is a very well known for all kinds of craft, and they're making these crochet kits very accessible for you. If you have a Walmart near you, I think you can go and get it. I'm not going to walk you through how I made this s'more. This crochet kit has a video that you can access to it. The instructions are clear, and I believe that even if you are a beginner, it should not be hard for you because it's very beginners friendly, even though it's labeled intermediate because of the complexity of the project. But because of the video, I believe that you can make it even if you are a beginner. I have to say that I enjoyed making it. This reminds me the texture of the yarn. It's not really yarn, it's more cotton, but it reminds me of the woobles. But of course, the quality of the woobles is superior. But for the price of this crochet kit, I believe that it is worth it to spend the money and do it. This in particular yarn, the white one, was a little bit of a mess. The other two were fine. I have to say that from 1 to 5, I give this a 4 because of the yarn quality. It was very discouraging when I saw that the yarn was in that stage. I believe that they can really do a better quality control. But that was the only downside about the material. Now, the hook. I can compare the hook with other metal ones, but at the same time, it was hurting my hand a lot to crochet with it at the beginning. Then I got used to it. I believe I had to adapt the tension in order for me not to feel the pain in my hands, but other than that, it was fine. For people that are more intermediate or advanced, I believe that if you buy this crochet kit, you might be able to substitute the yarn and the crochet hook that you want, and then you can make this in a yarn of your choice, something softer, something more plushy. But this one is nice to the touch. Now, if you want to change it, you might as well change it, but of course, then you'll be buying just the pattern and not using this. And I believe it's good. It's good enough. First thing I did is the marshmallow with the chocolate, and then the 2 crackers. The crackers take a little longer because you have to be very careful of the stitch count. What I suggest is that you write them down in a piece of paper and make it easier for you for each round. They tell you exactly where to place the eyes and the mouth. Make sure you use a stitch marker for this project. I'm going to be making crochet kits review for all the ones that I got at different stores. So stay tuned for that and let me know in the comments if you want me to try any particular ones. This one, I got it at Walmart and it was about $7 if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to check. So stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm going to give other reviews of other crochet kits that I found in my scavenger hunt. I find crochet kits everywhere. I don't know if you do too. Let me know in the comments if you find them everywhere. Until next time, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.